Hi people, we're right here in Cannes at the middle of the city center. Yes, the town is really full, lively place, beautiful, very beautiful. Yeah, my friend is shopping. I'm here waiting for her to do the payments, and then we go on with our vacation. We just left the beach area, which is down here, the street. As you go down there, you can see the street where people are walking. That's the place, and there are lots and lots of shops here, lots and lots of shopping, good shops, good stores, many people. It's summer, everyone is outside. Yeah, the place is really cool. The only problem you have here is communicating in English. Generally, there are less people who speak English, so it's very tricky. Yes, so anyways, everything is all fine. Just going to do our shopping done and then get ourselves something, some ice or so. Yeah, I will give you some more updates later. As you can see, this is the street where we are in Rue Antibes. Rue Antibes. That's where we're staying. Yes, exactly at Antibes. That's where we're staying. Goodbye for now and see you later.